Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the SmartDevil 3-pack screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I bought this on Amazon.com and this was priced $12.89. So I bought this yesterday and today it just arrived in the mail. So let's go ahead and unbox in this video. So here is the SmartDevil tempered glass screen protector. So I'll just quickly show you the box. So here is the front. They claim it's anti-shock, premium glass shatterproof. That's the side, other side, and that's the back. Alright, let's rip this plastic open. So we have the screen protector accessory, so you get 3 of these. We also get this little placement to help put the screen protector on. And inside this envelope we have our screen protectors. And we have the installation guide, which I will show you how to do it in this video. So for this installation, you will need this stencil, you will need the glass screen protector, the screen protector accessory, and of course an iPhone. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this little pack here. So inside you'll have your cleaning wipe, microfiber cloth, and dust sticker. So let's get ready for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the screen protector. We're going to place it there. And I'm going to grab my iPhone. And so I'm going to place it here. So first thing first is inside here we have our cleaning wipe. And I'm going to wipe the screen. Okay, next I have my dust sticker here, so we're going to try and remove all the dust. Next step, we're going to place this on the iPhone and making sure that it is facing the correct way. So we have an arrow indicator here. So that means this is the top of the iPhone. Okay, it looks like it's in place. So we're going to make sure that all the dust is removed before we install the screen protector. Alright, next step, we're going to remove the screen protector film. And we're going to make sure that tuck it in. Okay, and then we're going to press it down. Just like that. And it looks like we've got most of the bubbles. And go down. Making sure that's secured in place. And alright, and now we're going to take off this little border. Here is our final results of the glass screen protector installed, and it looks perfect. I don't see any bubbling at all, and if you do get little bubbles, just over time as you're using it, it will disappear. But on my one, not a single bubble at all. and I am very happy with the results. And as you can see, the screen protector doesn't fully extend all the way to the edge of the screen. There is a little gap between where the actual screen is and the screen protector, and that's because when you put on a case, you don't want to bubble the screen protector. So it looks good. As I'm using it, it feels responsive, the screen. Swiping, scrolling, fantastic. So that's just a quick unboxing and installation of the SmartDevil screen protector. Thank you for watching.